In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in Microsoft Teams. To begin the process of blocking someone in Microsoft Teams, your very first action is to navigate to the Chats section. You'll typically find this option prominently displayed on the left-hand sidebar of your Microsoft Teams interface. It's usually represented by a clear speech bubble icon, or simply the word Chats if the sidebar is expanded. This section serves as the central hub for all your direct messages, one-on-one conversations, and any group chats you're a part of, providing a comprehensive view of your interaction history. Clicking on Chats will open up your entire conversation list, presenting you with an organized overview where you can easily locate the specific individual you wish to block. Ensuring you're in this particular section from the start is absolutely crucial, as the blocking functionality is directly accessible only through the chat view. Attempting to block someone from other areas like Teams or calls won't provide the necessary options, so verify you've successfully clicked Chats before moving on. This initial step correctly positions you to manage your communication preferences within the platform effectively and with ease. Once you've successfully accessed the Chats section, you'll see a list of all your recent and ongoing conversations displayed on the main screen. The next crucial step is to precisely locate the individual you intend to block from this list. Carefully scroll through your chat history until you find the conversation with that specific person. It's important to take a moment here to ensure you're selecting the correct contact. Once you've identified them, you don't need to click into the conversation itself just yet. Instead, simply move your mouse cursor over their name or their entire chat entry in the list. As you hover over their name, you might notice some subtle changes, like the background of their chat entry highlighting slightly, indicating that you've successfully selected their chat for further actions. This action is vital because it activates the contextual options that will allow you to manage your interaction with this particular contact. This precise selection is key to proceeding with the blocking process effectively and without error. With your cursor now positioned directly over the chat entry of the person you wish to block, you'll observe a series of options magically appear next to their name or within their chat tile. Among these dynamic options, you're specifically looking for an icon that consists of 3 horizontal or vertical dots. This icon is universally recognized across many applications as an ellipsis or a More Options menu, signifying that there are additional settings or actions available for the selected item. Once you clearly see these 3 dots, it's time to click on them. A single precise click will reveal a drop-down menu containing various commands related to that specific chat and contact. These commands might typically include options like mark as unread, pin, mute, and, most importantly for our current purpose, the block option. This contextual menu is your gateway to managing the chat in more detail beyond just sending messages. Carefully clicking on these 3 dots ensures you access the full range of functionalities relevant to managing your contacts efficiently. After successfully clicking on the 3-dotted line icon, a drop-down menu will gracefully unfold, presenting you with several distinct choices. Your task now is to carefully scan this list for the option prominently labeled Block. It should be clearly visible and typically stands out among the other actions. Once you've confidently located the Block option, proceed to click on it. This action will usually trigger a crucial confirmation prompt to ensure you genuinely intend to block this person. Microsoft Teams will typically ask you to confirm your decision, often accompanied by a brief message explaining what blocking entails, such as stopping them from contacting you, preventing them from seeing your activity, or removing them from your contacts list. Read this prompt carefully to understand the implications, and if you're absolutely sure about your decision, click Block again to finalize the action. Once confirmed, this individual will no longer be able to send you messages, see your status updates, or otherwise interact with you within Microsoft Teams. You've now successfully blocked the person, ensuring your privacy and fully controlling your communication within the platform. This final click completes the process and updates your communication preferences immediately and effectively.